Hello guys, welcome back to another things. But for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix touchpad not working and no cursor on ASUS laptop. So, in this case, you might be wondering how you fix this issue here if your cursor and your touchpad is not appear or your touchpad is not working, cursor is not appearing on your screen. Now the thing with this one is, typically speaking, an ASUS laptop actually has, or in this case, most laptops has an option here that actually allows you to lock in or lock your touchpad. Now, in this case, you may have accidentally turned it on. So how do you turn it off? So for ASUS laptops, you need to basically press a number of combinations here. So I want to look for the FN key, which in this case is going to be this key here. And also you want to look for a touchpad icon. So usually it's going to be the F6 in here. So you want to press and hold FN, then press F6 alongside FN here. Now once you press those two buttons, that should enable your touchpad and you should be able to start using it again. But just in case if it's still not working, I would highly recommend you to attach or connect an external mouse first in order for you to do the next steps that I'll be showing you. So what you need to do is you want to go to the very bottom here and you want to select search, and you want to go to your touchpad settings. So you can just type in touchpad. Let's go and just type in touchpad here, and you want to open it up. And in here, you just want to make sure that touchpad is actually turned on. Now, if you do see it turned off, go ahead and just basically click on the switch button here to turn it on, and you should be good. And that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF the Inspo. Thank you for watching.